Hello everyone, and welcome to the world of Wega. I'm Stefano from Wega Customer Service. You should know that we have always been very careful to promote an energy conservation policy that reduces waste of resources. Since 2007, our factory uses an anti-systems dispersion, automatic lighting control, the most advanced technology in smart recycling and recovery of materials used in the testing phase. That's why in 2009 we created the Green Line range, a special line of products whose main purpose is to serve the best espresso respecting the planet. My concept has unique advantages that will save energy and money. Let's take a look. First of all, the unique technologies. SLS, an innovative self-learning software. MBT, a separate management of the individual boilers to help them maintain the thermal stability. LEC, a set of technologies that allow an energy saving certificate. HSB, a total of 9 levels of security on the machine and the 3 different operating modes. To choose the one that suits you, just go on the right side of the display, press the menu button, then the changes mode, and then decide which one you prefer. COM does not present any of the standby function preset, and if you want to put it on standby or shut the entire machine or a single group. PROG is accessible from the bartender menu, where you should select the button. Weekly program that will allow you to program 3 time slots depending on your needs. As you can see, you can decide whether to put the whole machine on standby or just a group. Now, just set the days of the week, press the arrow pointing down and select confirmation and save. The last mode is Eco, which is based on the self-learning capability of the machine. In fact, it stores the workload and the work based on that. You can also monitor energy savings. With my concept, you can save 47.6% of energy during standby mode and 30% when the machine is in operation. Stay tuned for the next episode. My concept for your concept.